In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and modify the expiration date for signature request in DocuSign. Keeping a clear deadline on your signature requests helps projects move forward and prevents documents from lingering without action. I'll walk you through starting a new request, opening the advanced settings, and setting both the expiration and a helpful reminder, all within DocuSign's sending experience. First, open DocuSign and head to the sending area. On the main screen, look for the option labeled Get Signatures. Click that to begin a new request. This takes you into the Prepare flow, where you'll add your document and adjust the settings that control timing and notifications. Next, add the file you want signed. Click Upload to browse for your document. If your file is on your computer, choose Desktop to quickly jump to that location, then select the document you want to use. Once it's added, you'll see it listed in your envelope, ready for configuration. Now, let's set the timing. At the top of the Prepare screen, find Advanced Options. It appears as a small settings gear icon. Click it to open the Envelope Options panel. This is where you control when the request expires and how DocuSign reminds participants before the deadline. Under Expiration, choose Custom Days to override any default your account might have. Then select 10 days. That means the envelope will expire 10 days after it's sent. Pick a window that matches your workflow. Shorter timeframes create urgency, while slightly longer ones give recipients flexibility. Keep in mind that once an envelope reaches its expiration, it can't be signed, so choosing a realistic window is important. With the expiration set, adjust the reminder so people get a nudge before time runs out. Click Custom Days again in the reminder area and choose 5 days before. This schedules a notification 5 days ahead of the expiration date, giving recipients a clear heads up and helping you avoid last-minute scrambles. When you're satisfied with these settings, click Save to apply them to this envelope. You'll return to the Prepare screen with your expiration and reminder now locked in. If you need to double-check, you can reopen advanced options at any point before sending to review or fine-tune the values. That's it. You've uploaded your document, opened the advanced settings, set a custom expiration of 10 days, added a reminder 5 days before, and saved your changes. These adjustments apply to this specific envelope, giving you precise control over timing without affecting your broader account defaults. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you set your next signature request.